Commodity code. For which commodity code you want to create. I will select computers. I want manual receipt in the computers. OK, computer changes when I'm receiving. But this commodity code, OK, UNSP code. Computer changes asset data not required, but I want this to be done manually. Received by quantity. OK, so I click on Save. This is how you can define your receiving types in Ariba. Then receiving type by part number. Here I am select. My method will be on commodity code. It will be a part number in receiving type by part number. Is all you can see. This is supplier-specific also. So I'll create a new to understand more. So for which supplier? So part numbers are specific for suppliers only. I will select. Let's select any supplier, A, B, C supplier. From A, B, C supplier. If the part number is C12345. Description: what I'm going to get from this supplier and with this part number, consumable printing machine. I'm just randomly giving. There is a consumable item which comes for a printing machinery. If you are at ordering by this part number, then I would say A, B, C, ABC 1234. This is the part number. This is the description. I want to perform manual receive by quantity. OK, I will create. So here the deciding factor is, when I receive an item with this part number, the system will stop me and ask me to enable manual receive. So this way also you can configure your receiving times. Any doubts? OK, now let's say payment methods. List all. If you want to add any other payment method, you can add it. It is very simple. Create new. You can give unique ID and name of this thing. Preference rank will be. There are multiple payment method. Which one will take the priority? Electronic payment preferred payment method as take bank, credit card, diet or something whatever you want to provide. Click on cancel and canceling it. Let's view any one of the cash payment. And edit. You can see electronic payment as no and payment method as cash. If you want to change, you can able to change also. This way, you can add multiple payment methods using this Ariba on screen. Payment terms. This is payment method and this is payment terms. Payment terms generally comes from your ERP system. Whatever the payment terms you are maintaining in Ariba, you can maintain here. I never worked on this. Let me see what is NT60. NT60. Yeah, even we don't see also. Generally, payments will come from your ERP system only. We don't generally maintain in Ariba. Bank operation. This is something new. What's new document in the settings? So now I will be talking about data dictionary. Now, if you remember, in some cases we use data input and export option to bring in data from your ERP system. But I do not know what fields are compulsory, what fields are not compulsory, what I'm supposed to enter in that particular field. So in any of the places where you are going to export and do this thing, you want to get understand of more, then you use the option called Download Data Dictionary. Some people refer to this as a Bible of Ariba. Spend Management Configuration. Okay, in Site Manager, Data Input Export. If you're clicking whoever having access to Site Manager, they can only see this Download Data Dictionary. The person who don't have Site Manager access, they will not able to see. And this is what I call Dynamic Dictionary. So, based on your settings from a company, automatically that will get updated. For example, later you have created a custom field in one of the contract management module. Okay, then that field will automatically get updated in your data download dictionary. So data dictionary will get updated. You don't have to manually maintain, and Ariba has to do a job process to update this dictionary. So this will get updated immediately. So you can use the latest version also. And this will change from company to company. So you cannot use this for other companies also. Again, based on your configuration. So if you're having SLP configuration, downstream configuration, this will change. This will give you all the details which your company is using, including integrations also. So you can refer this file and get into detail. So I'm downloading the dictionary. Data Dictionary. Opening the dictionary. What is the amount you want to upload? In which document has to be uploaded? So that will print on the screen for you. Alright, so here to send the data from the application. So this is the file. You will be having multiple sheets with this. Right-click on the page navigation. Then go to the last page, which is at the bottom. We'll see in mixes. You can look at it. Then you will be having all the task details which we want, more details about how you can do this. Let's select one thing, supplier, import payment terms. So when I want to import payment terms, export payment terms, import payment as the consolidated file, I'll click on that file, that link. It will take me to the relevant page. So this is the file which you want to prepare. It will give you the name, import payment terms data consolidated file. It will give the task details. So whatever in Ariba, that is, each one will be called as a task. It will define the payment which are used to specify the time period in supplier request payments, and this one blah, blah, blah. And the file name, what is supposed to be the file name? Payment terms, consolidated CSV. Now you will be seeing these fields. So what is your default fields? Description, name, unique name, installment percentage, installment number, discount, discounted pay in this.